Japan is famous for Tokyo's neon lights, Kyoto's historic temples, and Osaka's street food scene. But what if I told you there's a whole other side of Japan that most tourists never see? From breathtaking flower fields to mystical shrines hidden in the mountains, we're about to explore 8 hidden gems in Japan that should be on your bucket list in 2025. Chichibu. Nestled in the mountains of Saitama, Chichibu is a serene escape from Tokyo, known for its stunning seasonal flowers, historic shrines, and delicious miso-marinated pork. The area is home to the Chichibu Night Festival, one of Japan's top float festivals, and scenic spots like Hitsujiyama Park, which explodes with pink moss flocks in spring. Despite its charm, it remains relatively uncrowded compared to other tourist destinations. Nabana no Sato Flower Park. Japan is known for breathtaking illuminations, but Nabana no Sato in Mie Prefecture takes it to the next level. Every winter, this flower park transforms into an LED wonderland, featuring millions of twinkling lights, glowing tunnels, and futuristic water illuminations. It's like stepping into a Studio Ghibli movie. Romantic, magical, and an absolute must-visit for photographers and couples. Kurobe Gorge. Imagine this. You're on a bright red train, winding through one of Japan's deepest gorges, surrounded by towering mountains, lush forests, and hidden hot springs. Sounds unreal, right? Welcome to Kurobe Gorge in Toyama Prefecture. Hop on the Kurobe Gorge Railway and prepare for a jaw-dropping ride through stunning autumn foliage, dramatic cliffs, and secret onsens where you can soak while gazing at waterfalls. Yamagata. If you thought Japan was all cherry blossoms and temples, Yamagata is here to change your mind. Home to the legendary snow monsters of Zayo. These frozen trees look like something out of a sci-fi movie during winter. Add in soothing hot springs, incredible hiking trails, and delicious Yamagata beef, and you've got a year-round paradise. And don't miss Yamagata Temple, a breathtaking mountain temple with 1,000 steps leading to a spectacular panoramic view. Hakuba. Hakuba might be famous for world-class skiing, but did you know it's also a summer paradise? Located in the Japanese Alps, Hakuba offers stunning hiking trails, emerald green lakes, and even paragliding adventures. And if you visit in winter, well, think powder snow, cozy mountain lodges, and après-ski hot springs. It's basically Japan's version of Switzerland. Izu Peninsula. A stunning coastal retreat just south of Tokyo, the Izu Peninsula boasts breathtaking ocean views, white sand beaches, and relaxing hot springs. The region is famous for its rugged coastline, scenic drives, and fresh seafood, yet it's far less crowded than more well-known beach destinations like Okinawa. Places like the Nagasaki coast and Shimoda are perfect for nature lovers and photographers. Tagakushi Shrine. Next up is the Tagakushi Shrine in Nagano, a sacred site shrouded in mystery, history, and ninjas. That's right. This hidden mountain shrine was once a training ground for Japan's most legendary ninjas. Today, you can walk through a breathtaking path lined with ancient 400-year-old cedar trees, visit the ninja trick house, and even try throwing shuriken. It's like stepping back in time, except, with actual ninja history. Cape Sato. Want to stand at the westernmost tip of Shikoku and feel like you're at the edge of the world? Welcome to Cape Sato in Ahime Prefecture. Stretching over 40 kilometers into the Seto Inland Sea, Cape Sato is Japan's longest and one of its most scenic capes, offering breathtaking ocean views, dramatic cliffs, and a rugged coastline untouched by mass tourism. At the very tip, you'll find Sato Misaki Lighthouse, where you can enjoy panoramic views of the shimmering sea and even spot Kyushu on a clear day. The drive, or cycling route to the Cape, is an adventure in itself, winding through beautiful coastal landscapes and sleepy fishing villages. For travelers seeking serenity, stunning scenery, and a true hidden gem, Cape Sato is an unforgettable off-the-beaten-path destination. There you have it, 8 hidden gems in Japan that deserve a spot on your travel list in 2025. Which one are you adding to your bucket list first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic travel content. See you in the next adventure.